Welcome to 1658 Horseshoe Drive, apartment D. This is a two bedroom, two full bath, second floor apartment in Northeast Columbia near I-20, convenient I-77, Fort Jackson, and just a quick commute to downtown Columbia as well. So we're inside. You can see outside there, just briefly, there is a sort of common parking lot. You have a foyer here off of the entry, and coat closet right off of that. Then you open up into your living room. You have a window out to the front, nice size window. A great wall of built-ins here at the back. Could probably still fit a pretty nice size widescreen TV in that recessed area. Some components underneath and cabinets, and you have some built-ins there as well. Bedrooms that side, but then here you open up to the dining room off the kitchen. So you have a refrigerator, electric stove, and above the range microwave, and here dishwasher as well. Sink is under the light there, and then you have laundry closet on this side, full size washer and dryer connections, some shelving above, and then you also do have a pantry here as well with some shelving for extra storage. All right, and then into the hallway here. Bedrooms flank both sides, just have a linen closet here. Just some HVAC components there. This is the second bedroom. We'll take a quick look since we're all here on this side. It faces the front of the building out to the parking lot. You have a closet here, pretty standard size. And then bathroom here in the hall. Full bath, you have a single vanity, commode, tub and shower, and a window there, some trees and leaves outside. And then the master bedroom, window out to the back. And you don't have any access to the back directly there, but I don't know if you can see, just sort of a shared space back there, backs up to some trees, pretty neat. And master bedroom here, have a walk-in closet on this side, shelves on either side. And then you do have a full bath here as well. Single vanity and a small stand-up shower there. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, the address is 1658 Horseshoe Drive, apartment D. You can find out more information by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com or by giving us a call at 803-407-8522.